So hey guys, welcome to Bang Bang Travelers. So today is Sunday and we are going to another cafe ride, that is Junkyard Car'fe ride. A lot of bikes I can see. Oh my god, looks beautiful. Lot of bikes. Hey guys, so lot of people came today. Yeah. Hey, how are you? Great man, how are you? Yeah, you long time no see. So today special guest.
Yeah.
Because she's not coming at all. So guys, lot of good bikes.
So we have three groups. The first group will leave in 45. So the first group, everybody knows where they are. The first group will leave them in 5 minutes, and the group after that, 5 minutes after that, and group 3, 5 minutes after that. So the first group, you can check in the line, you can get ready, and then we'll see each other at the junkyard. Yes?
How was the ride? She was sleeping. Sleepy, okay. Hello. Nice. Oh. Thank you. Hi. So yeah, let's go.